Number 1. Choti Wala Restaurant in Haridwar. If you happen to be in Haridwar looking for best restaurants, then you must head to Choti Wala without a doubt. This restaurant in Haridwar has been serving people with delicious vegetarian food. What is also remarkable about this place is a fat guy with a choti sitting at the door of the restaurant to welcome guests. You will find a number of restaurants with the same name. Number 2. Hotel Raghuvanshi Gujarati Bhojnalaya. You will find restaurants in Haridwar of all varieties. Hotel Raghuvanshi is the Gujarati restaurant where you can enjoy authentic vegetarian cuisine of Gujarat. Gorge and appetizing curries, vegetables and sweet dishes, it is one of the best places to enjoy a filling and sumptuous lunch. The place only serves Gujarati food, but if you are a vegetarian, you will find food to be of your liking. Number 3. Dada Bodir Hotel. For all the Bengalis visiting Haridwar, your food scenes are sorted because Dada Bodir Hotel in Haridwar will serve you your favorite food. It is a vegetarian restaurant, which is why you will find only vegetarian delicacies. Still, it is a worth visit because the food is absolutely lip-smacking. Enjoy a traditional lavish Bengali thali at an affordable price. Number 4. Sardarji Restaurant. If you are looking for the non-veg restaurants in Haridwar, Sardarji is one of the best places to enjoy lip-smacking chicken curries and other meat delicacies. It is a famous place among the locals as the food here is really delicious and prices are cheap too. Yes, you will find a place to sit and the host is on to welcome his guests in style, so you won't be able to refuse if you happen to be passing by. Number 5. Pandit Ji Puri Wale. You cannot miss eating at this place on your trip to Haridwar. Located near Har Ki Pauri, this place is hard to miss. The deli may be small, but you can gauge from the crowd waiting outside how famous this place is. It is where you will get to gorge on spicy aloo puri, the largest size bedmi puris, and served on a banana leaf, and the potato curry is so full of flavor. Number 6. Hoshiar Puri. One of the best Punjabi restaurants in Haridwar, Hoshiar Puri is also known for pure vegetarian cuisine. Whether it is lunch or dinner, you can head to this place at any time you feel hungry. The ambience is cool and is appropriate for families too. This place serves the best North Indian vegetarian food in the area. Number 7. Ganga Lahari Restaurant. Located at a prime location, Ganga Lahari is one of the best vegetarian restaurants in Haridwar, where you can enjoy simple Indian food. While the food is delicious, you get to enjoy the astounding views of the river for free. Not just the food, the decor and ambience of this place is also classy. Number 8. Big Ben Restaurant. If you want to indulge in casual dining, Big Ben is perfect for you. One of the best vegetarian restaurants in Haridwar, Big Ben is all about comfort food. Whether you like Indian food or continental flavors, this place has got your back. If you are not in the mood for usual dal roti, then you can order flavored shakes and scrumptious sandwiches. Number 9. Invitation Restaurant. Don't go by the name, as you don't need an invitation to get inside this restaurant and enjoy a good meal. All you need is a fairly large appetite and appreciation for taste when you dine at Invitation Restaurant. It is a decent place to have a meal with your family on your Haridwar trip. The environs of the restaurant are peaceful and serene. Number 10. Captain's Cavalry Restaurant. Captain's Cavalry Restaurant is one of the most popular restaurants in Pentagon Mall, Haridwar, where you can enjoy not only food but also drinks. The place is tastefully decorated, which is evident from its classy decor. The restaurant has an amazing arrangement of alcohol and food, so if you ever are in a mood of a glass of wine while you stay in Haridwar, you know where to come. Hope you liked this video. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel.